Hello, everyone. Hi, it's Trisha. I know I haven't been here in a couple months with the hair thing, and that's why I'm here. I wanted you to see where I'm at right now. As you can see, it's about an inch long everywhere. It's about an inch long. Still have some weird little places depending on what side and how I've done it or whatever, but it is about an inch long. The gray's coming, and there's something really funny. Let me see if I can do it. I can make a mohawk. I'll see if I can do it. I don't know. It's hard for me to tell. But anyway, there it is. I have a faux hawk. So this is where I'm at right now. This is a very not lovely place to be because, I feel like taking a picture of it right now, how it's going, like straight up and everything, and saying, this is why I don't have pixie cuts. Because it's too thick and too whatever that he wants to do. And the back, let's see if I can maybe get the back. Of course, I can't see the back but you get it. So, I just wanted to say hi, let you know it has been, okay, so it was the end of November when I cut it last, or when it was last buzz. So that's December, January, 2.5 months. So 2.5 months is where we're at. And I just wanted to give you an update. Today happened to be my father's birthday, so I just got back from visiting him. One thing I also wanted to talk about, and you may have seen that if you saw any of my other videos that talk about my artwork, is that I have a painting that is going to be on display for the whole soccer season at the gallery. They're calling it a gallery, but I'm guessing it's basically the hallway area, kind of by the suites and all at this particular stadium, our soccer stadium. So that's really, really cool. You had to pick, and they picked that one, and they picked me. So that made me feel good because I haven't been doing anything in painting in a long time, too long. But I have some good news. Let me see if I can reach it. Oh, I'm trying here. I have to do it the hard way. I actually started working on something this weekend, and I can, just one second. New painting. It doesn't have a name yet. I have names that I have actually a notebook of names for when I do make some, and so I'm sure I will have a name for it. Right now it does not have one, but as you can see, I did another one of these drippy ones. People seem to really like the drippy ones, so I'm like, okay, well, I'll try that. And as you see up here, this is the beginnings of one of my textured paintings. I just haven't done anything with it. It's kind of been sitting on the wall there for a while. So I have to come out of whatever it is that is keeping me from painting and start back up again. So I just wanted to show you, you're the first ones to see new painting. You're the first ones to see it. And I wanted you to see the hair. But this is that point where it's, I went and my mother said, "Oh, your hair looks so good." But I'm not doing anything. This is just it growing at this point. Like I said, it's about an inch if I measured it all around. So it's about an inch. And the gray is coming out, or the silver as I like to call it. So that's good. And I'm wearing my Randy Rainbow glasses. These are actually like real glasses, but they're pink cat eyes. So I call them Randy Rainbow because I absolutely love Randy Rainbow. I'll link to something of his up here because he's fantastic if you don't know who he is already. Anyway, I'll let you go. Just wanted to stop by. Everyone has been so sweet with the support and the comments. I really appreciate that because I wanted this to be an inclusive place, not anyone fighting and things like that. So I really appreciate it. And I will talk to you soon. You guys have a great week, and happy Valentine's Day coming up. Take care. Bye-bye.